I've been trying out this MySmile Sonic electric toothbrush that was gifted to me by the brand. And if you've been looking to upgrade from a regular manual toothbrush, there are quite a few features packed into this one. So first of all, this toothbrush delivers up to 48,000 vibrations per minute. And what that means in plain talk is you're basically getting a powerful sonic cleaning action. And with this brush, you're actually getting stronger cleaning performance without necessarily having that really stiff, harsh feeling that some toothbrushes can have, because these bristles are actually pretty soft and comfortable. So there are 5 different brushing modes, and you can see them right here on the front, and that gives you some flexibility depending on what you want that day. So there are 5 different brushing modes on this brush. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There you go. So there's clean, white, polish, massage, and also sensitive. So for example, if your teeth or gums are feeling a little sensitive, you can switch over to the sensitive setting. Or if you want more of an everyday clean, you can go with clean. And the way you cycle through those is just by pushing this button right here. White, polish, massage, sensitive. I really like having the different options instead of being stuck on one intensity every time. And what's neat is every 30 seconds, the toothbrush gives like a little pause or a little pulse to let you know it's time to switch to a different section of your mouth. And then after 2 minutes, there's basically a built-in 2-minute timer, which is really helpful because 2 minutes can feel a lot longer than you think when you're actually standing there brushing. And that kind of keeps track of that for you, and it shuts off after 2 minutes, just to let you know that you have finished a normal brushing cycle. Of course, you can turn it back on if you want, but it's just a good thing to have included. It comes with everything in one set. So it comes with 6 of the brush heads, so you have lots of extras and replacements. And the bristles do have a W-shaped design, which is kind of meant to increase contact with the different surfaces of your teeth. And it also has a fading indicator bristles, so you have a visual reminder of when it's time to replace your head. So there's also a really nice option if you travel. It does come with a travel case, and this will hold the toothbrush and then also 2 replacement heads. So everything stays together instead of your toothbrush just kind of floating inside your toiletry bag, which we've all done. And the battery life is probably one of the most impressive features of this. So the brand says you can get up to 80 days of use from a single charge. Obviously that can vary depending on how often you use the brush and which setting you should use. But either way, that means you shouldn't constantly be worrying about charging your toothbrush, especially when you're traveling. And here is the charger. So it does come with a USB charger, and then all you do to charge it is you're just going to sit the toothbrush down into the base. So overall, you're getting the toothbrush, you're getting the 5 brushing modes that it comes with, the 2-minute timer, the replacement heads, you get 6 of these, the travel case, and then that extra long battery life. So if you've been wanting to move away from a manual toothbrush, this toothbrush actually gives you a lot of features all in one set and makes it really easy to customize your brushing routine. So I would check this one out. I've been really impressed so far.